Hello, my name is Roz with Done Right Bookkeeping. What I do is help small business owners automate their financial tasks and help them increase profits. I also share every single week videos or posts sharing about best practices in bookkeeping, as well as just different ways to navigate the QuickBooks software. So, what I'm going to share with you today, we're going to actually talk about common reports. So, these are reports that you run for your business to understand if you have inventory, how much, inventory has been coming in, going out, you know, what is the profit on those, the revenue on those, that inventory, those products, those items, as well as balance sheets and income statements and employee report, all that good stuff. So this is data driven decisions. So this will help you determine, okay, is this something good that we need to continue with our business, or is this something that we need to eliminate? So these are some reports that you can actually run. So as I'm going there, I'm going to share my screen, and what I'm sharing with you is actually a test site that QuickBooks has set up. I am a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor, and this is the platform that I actually use. So this is a test site that QuickBooks has set up to help people learn how to navigate the QuickBooks system or software. So what you see here is just a test site, and we're going to actually talk about the actual reports. So where do you find the reports? If you look over here to the left hand navigation, you're going to see reports. So we're going to click on that, and you'll notice here that there's a search field. So if you already know the actual report that you want to pull up, and also what I want to make sure that you're aware of, depending on which subscription that you have will determine, where are the reports at, what type of reports and things of that nature. So there's some standard reports that you have, there's some custom reports that you create, and there's some management reports as well. Okay, we're going to focus on the standard reports right now. And you'll notice that you can actually favor some of these basically all these reports, by just clicking on the star right next to the right of the actual title of the report. Okay, so as we scroll down, you'll notice here in favorites, there's the accounts receivable aging report. Let's say if I uncheck that or unstar that actually disappears, and now that's within the actual list again. That's not in my favorites. I have the balance sheet, and it actually has a little question mark that you can click on that actually tells you about the actual report as well. Okay, so anytime you hover over it. So, and also if you actually hover over the title of the report, you can actually go directly to that report and put in specifically, the date range and things like that you want to see within the report that you're running. So here you can see business overview, all the different reports under that section, who owes you, all the reports under that section, sales and customer report, you have, you can run that. What you owe, you can run that report. Expenses and vendors. So they have a bunch of different reports depending on what you are looking for. So I want to have the general ledger. So I'm going to star that, the balance sheet, and let's see here. Let's have the employee contact list, or better yet, time activities by employee as well. Depending on what type of business you have. Do you have employees? That might be something that you want to have in favorites. Let's see. 1099 is, do you have contractors that you're working with as well? You may want to have that report in favorites, but nevertheless, regardless if you have it in favorites or not, and you'll notice here, I just clicked on the star to the right of the title of the report, and it put it into my favorites. So depending on which report you want to run or which report that you're in need of, this is something that you can do as well, okay, to really simplify things. So if I look at the profit and loss, I can hover over that, click on that hyperlink, and I can put a date range on when I want to, you know, what's the date range on the report that I want to see the activity for, right? The profit and loss report. You can total only, you can really drill down depending on what you're looking for in that report. You can select the compare another period. So it could be a side by side. Let's say we do previous year, we're going to do percentage change. This year, we're going to do cash, and we're going to run the report. And we're going to be able to see a side by side. So this is, as I create this video, this is this year up until today is June the 1st, 2023, compared to last year of the same period of time, right? So you can see here the different items and products and services and the amounts and things like that. And you scroll all the way down, you'll see some net income and percentages as well. So you can also customize, save and customize. You can customize the report. How do you want to see your report? That's what it all comes down to, what you're looking for. So I hope you found value in this video. If you have, go ahead and like and comment. And make sure you follow or subscribe to the channel as well, wherever you may be viewing this video from. I truly would appreciate it. And if you're in need of a consultation to see how we can assist you in your small business, just go ahead and reach out to us. Our link is going to be in the description area where you can actually schedule a consultation. So thank you so much. God bless. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.